Alright guys, we just entered another smaller position here on the same stock, ZIVO. Notice this pattern that formed and an increase in volume, slowly shifting its weight towards the buyer's favor. So I went ahead and entered a position there, and we'll see how it runs. Let's go ahead and watch it play it out. Same stock as the previous video there. See it testing that 610 area now. Seems to be some nice bid support at 606. Testing 607 now as a bid. Okay, now we're testing that 606. Chipping away at 606 as a bid. Driving the price down. Back down towards $6. Test that $6 mark as a support, the whole $6. It's trying to bounce off of 6 there. We try to purchase on this little pullback here at 590. We were too slow, and bought at 595. Immediately bounced off of that area and pulled back right now towards 6, bouncing off of 6. Now it's coming back up towards this resistance, which killed us on an earlier trade here. We were in this trade going in our favor. Boom, hit that 622 area, and they just slipped. Stopped us out, consolidated a little bit, slipped a little more, and then it bounced. And that's where we're at now. Looks like this is a 2-trade Friday. Very nice. So these lines over here coming down represent descending resistance, descending support. You can see that price did not come all the way down towards this descending support. It did go up towards this descending resistance, and it broke above it, and now it will face the previous pivot's high around 620 possibly, and we'll see how that face off goes. You know, it can be quite a strong resistance there, that entire area there. So now it's testing this descending resistance as a possible support. So what do you think? If you're sick, would you also take trades or not? Let me know down below. Been sick this entire week or two, basically, since I got the vaccine, and haven't been able to recover fully. If you're in my position, would you have taken any trades? Would you take a few trades? No trades at all? What is your stance on that? Right now, I'm not 100%, but it's Friday, and yeah, some of you know how it is. You always want to take trades. But yeah, let me know what are your thoughts on that. Okay, so right now it's testing that 6 as a support. It's not looking pretty right now. This pullback should have had some buyers come in already. If it doesn't hold that 6, we have this 590 area. If it doesn't hold this 590 area, we have this 579. If it doesn't hold that 579, takes out of the trade. We're stopped out. Few buyers coming in, but that 605 will act as a resistance. There's 604, 605. There's 605. Definitely some resistance there now at 605. Breaking away from that 605, 612. Nope. Okay. There's plenty buyers coming in there. Very strong. It's going to keep that strength. 615, some resistance, top of this pivot there. See it battling now. Slight pullback from that 615 towards 610. Breaking that 615. We're going to face this 620 possibly. No. Here we go. 617. Resistance is strong up there. The resistance is strong, you guys. Pulling back down towards 605. Testing that 605 area as a possible area of support. Not able to hold that 605. Still have the whole dollar of 6. They hold 6. If not, this pivots low for a double bottom. 596. This trade depends on our ability to break this wall. 620, 622. That thing is very potent up there. You can see it's like slightly trying to hold that area. But where is it going next? Is it going up? Or is it going down? We'll see. Here we go. Gonna retest that resistance. No. Perhaps the buyers will lose interest here. So if it doesn't break anytime soon, that'll definitely show us that the sellers are in control, or they have the upper hand at least. And there's not enough buying conviction to cause the price to go down. The price goes down, the volume decreases, that's it. Easily gets stopped out. Now, would you raise your stop loss at the moment, or would you leave it there? Raise your stop loss, break even, right? Come down, break you even. Possibly it'll bounce and then hit your target as well. Now, if you don't raise your stop loss, you leave it there, give it more space to dance around, and then it could still go up there and hit your take profit. Now, what would you do? You can see it clearly hitting that resistance, no luck of breaking it. It's Friday, we haven't traded in a while, so we'll leave it where it's at. Now it's testing once again that resistance. 619, there's 620, it broke that 620. 622 as well. There's a highlight candle. 629, 2 cents away from our take profit. There's 622. Oof, that's an ugly candle right there. Topping tail, rejecting higher prices immediately after breaking that resistance. That's an ugly peekaboo candle there. But it's gonna get filled up again. Is it gonna get filled up again? Look at that thing struggling right there. Take profit is literally top of that candle. 2 cents away from the candle's high. And there it goes back down. down towards 620. The low of this candle, 615, appears below that support by 5 cents, which was a previous resistance. Okay, so far it's trying to hold at 620, but it's struggling. Clearly the battle between buyers and sellers is shown there. Crazy. Had we been able to buy at 590, our take profit would have also been 5 cents below this 631, so we would have been sold out already. We would have taken profit. You can see how a few measly cents will make a big difference. Would have been out of this trade, but since we entered 5 cents after what we wanted, we are still stuck in this trade. And sort of resembles the butterfly effect, doesn't it? Well, this thing gave us a nice little trip. But it's time to raise the stop loss, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and raise it towards 5.99, right underneath that whole dollar mark. If it holds 605, cool. To bounce off of it. If it doesn't, possibly 6. Bounce off of 6. If it doesn't bounce off of 6, stop us out. We're out of here. See it selling aggressively there. Trying to bounce off of that 6. Aggressive sell off. 30-cent sell off. That's a very disappointing trade, actually. Yep, very disappointing trade. Wow, look at that nasty sell-off. That is quite ugly. And to think we were just 2 cents from taking profit. Well, what do you think about that, you guys and gals? Happy Friday, folks. This time, yeah, 2 trades today. And listen, I really appreciate you all for watching and for being here. Hope you all stay safe this weekend. Have fun, stay safe, and I'll see you all on the next one. Yep. All right. Bye.